What's up guys, today a quick video on how to install the Insinkerator garbage disposal.
So one of the first things you're going to want to do is make sure that your breaker for your garbage disposal is off. So here's my panel, and we're going to come here and turn off garbage disposal breaker.
Test to make sure the breaker is off. So first we need to uninstall the old garbage disposal. This is what mine looks like. First you'll need to unscrew the plate exposing the electrical wires for the disposal. Next you can unscrew the metal clamp holding the wires in place. Remove the ground screw. Then you can pull the wires down from inside the unit and untwist the wire nuts to disconnect them from the unit. Unscrew and remove the dishwasher hose if you have one. You can use a small pan to catch any water that might drip from the hose. Remove the drain line attaching the unit to your sink. Use the provided wrench or an Allen wrench to twist and remove the unit from the drain. Next, unscrew the drain basket. Then use a screwdriver to remove the snap ring. Now remove the drain basket from the sink. Use a sponge or a putty knife to remove excess plumber's putty. Use a screwdriver to knock out the dishwasher inlet plug if applicable. Roll a bead of plumber's putty around the new flange. Press the new sink flange firmly into place. Next you'll install the fiber gasket, the backup flange, the upper mounting ring, and the snap ring in place. It helps to have someone press down from above while doing this step. Once installed, use the 3 screws to tighten the flange in place. Remove any excess plumber's putty. Remove the plate on the new disposal to expose the wires. Feed the wires through the new unit and install a wire clamp to prevent the wire from being cut or snagged. Tighten new wire nuts onto the unit and then reattach the ground wire. You can now push the wires back inside the unit and reinstall the electric cover plate. You can now hold the unit back up in place and use the provided wrench to twist and lock the unit into place. Reattach the dishwasher hose. Measure your new drain pipe and mark for a cut. Use a hacksaw to cut the pipe to length. Then use a knife to remove any burrs. Install a new compression ring onto the drain line and insert into the drain. Use the provided spring clamp to attach the drain line to the Insinkerator, and then tighten the nut to the drain line. To tighten the clamp on the dishwasher tube. You're now ready to turn back on the breaker. Fill the sink with water and test for leaks. Now run water through the disposal and test that it's working properly.